Let's take a minute to see what we've got. We've used the window object and added an event listener that will be triggered when the load event happens. And when the window's loaded, it will call the function add listeners. Inside our add listener function, what we've done is get the show button and add an event listener to it. So right away, right after the page is loaded, it now has an event listener. That sits and waits until the click event happens. So here's that button, show me, and it's just waiting. Nothing's happening. Right? Refresh the page. Nothing's happening. It's just sitting there waiting for that click event to happen. Once that click event happens, what does it do? It calls this function, and this function is executed. And now there's a lot of control about when something happens. It actually turns the control over to the user because they can create the event and the page responds to their actions. Now we can continue to add functionality to the page. We can respond to many events and make many changes on the page. So far we know how to change the source attribute to change an image. We know how to change the value attribute to get a value attribute, use it in computations. We know how to change the content of an element. So lots of things that we can do in response to events.